Lots of the fruits and vegetables that we grow here in the UK for us to eat rely on bees to pollinate them. So pollination just means when a bee lands on a plant, picks up some pollen on its furry body, and then flies to a different plant and drops that pollen on the other plant. What happens then is that helps to make new plants so that we get more and more fruits and more vegetables. So we need bees. They're really, really important. But sometimes, in some times of the year, the fruits and vegetables aren't actually growing. So in those other times of the year, bees need to get their food from somewhere else. And they can get their food from wildflowers. Now, the wildflower seeds that you've been given are all UK native wildflowers, which means that basically they grow naturally in this country. The reason that's important is for two reasons. Number one, it'll be easy for them to grow in the soil in your garden or wherever else you put them, but also it means that they give a good source of food for the bees. Some bees that come from the UK need to land on flowers that live in the UK for them to be able to get the right food. So, when you plant your wildflower seed balls, you're creating food for bees and making sure that they can survive so that they can keep pollinating our fruit and vegetables so that we have lots of food to eat.